What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check Instagram username history. Simple mean you can check to see if a particular account, whether it's yourself or other people's account, if they have recently changed their name, or if they ever changed their username before. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just scroll down randomly and pick an account. So for example, you can see this advertisement here of this luxury house hub. I'm going to tap on that because they must have an account, as you can see here. And this is a random account I recently just selected, right? So what I'm going to do, in order to check if this account actually have a username change, you want to click on the three dots on the uppermost right hand side. And from here, you want to go ahead and you want to click on about this account. And here, if they have a former account, you will be able to see it. And as you can see right here, this account actually had two former usernames, and it says two. So if you click on that, you will be able to see that this user has changed the account twice, right? So there you have it, guys. You can easily see that this person had a username change twice, right? So that's how you can check it for other people's account. Now, how do you check this for yourself? You want to click on your profile on the lower right hand side, and then you want to click on the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. That's called a burger menu as well. Then from here, you want to click on your activity, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says account history. Click on account history, and from here you'll be able to see all the different changes that you have made within your account, right? But if you look to the upper right hand side, you will see update type. So you want to click on that, and from here you want to select username and then click apply. Now if I ever had any username change, you will see it display within the result here. But as you can see clearly, I didn't have a username change. But that's how you can easily check this for yourself as well. Now guys, if you found this useful, go ahead, give this video a like, and if you've seen the channel for the first time, I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button to join the community and also to help to grow this channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much, and see you next time.